Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. The 2026 Hilux camper tricycle is not your typical camper. It's a rugged, three-wheeled mini RV that's been designed to go off the beaten path, yet still keep you comfortable and self-sufficient no matter where the journey takes you. At first glance, it looks like a hybrid between a compact utility vehicle and a futuristic camper pod. But take a closer look, and you'll realize this is a purpose-built machine crafted for adventure, freedom, and sustainability. Built on a modified tricycle frame, the Hilux camper Trike is powered by an all-electric drivetrain, delivering silent torque and zero emissions. It's equipped with a high-efficiency motor capable of reaching speeds up to 70 km per hour on flat terrain, and it handles surprisingly well, even with a full load. The large rear will add stability and traction, especially when navigating gravel roads or uneven surfaces. This Trike isn't about speed, it's about reach. And with a full charge, you can expect a real-world range of 100 to 150 kilometers, depending on terrain and load. Charging is flexible. You can plug into a standard outlet at home, top up at a public EV station, or go completely off-grid using the rooftop solar array. The solar system delivers up to 400 watts on a sunny day, which is enough to keep your house battery topped up for essential devices, lights, and even a small fridge. The camper unit itself is compact but intelligently designed. Step around to the back, and you'll find a swing-out door that reveals a cozy, modular interior. Inside, there's a fold-out bed that converts into a cushioned bench during the day. Storage compartments are tucked into every nook and cranny, under the floor, in the walls, and even overhead, so you're never short on space. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who pack smart and live light. What really sets the Hilux camper Trike apart is how much functionality is packed into such a small footprint. There's a tiny kitchenette that includes a sink with running water from a 20-liter freshwater tank, a 2-burner propane stove, and a compact 12V fridge. The kitchen counter flips up when not in use to create more standing space, and every surface doubles as either a workspace or storage area. Ventilation is handled by a roof fan with a reversible motor, and there are screened windows on both sides to keep airflow circulating without letting in bugs. Insulation panels line the walls to help maintain temperature, whether you're in the mountains or the desert. And at night, warm LED strip lighting provides a cozy, low-energy atmosphere. Now, let's talk about power. The house battery is a 2.4 kWh lithium-ion unit, and it can be expanded if you need more juice. The battery powers the fridge, lights, water pump, fan, and outlets for charging phones or laptops. The onboard inverter also allows you to run small AC devices when needed. For those who really want to stay off-grid longer, there's an option to add an auxiliary battery bank in one of the rear storage boxes. The exterior is just as clever as the inside. The side panels fold out to create a small awning on one side and a fold-down table on the other. You can cook outdoors, sit under shade, or set up your camp chair and enjoy the view. There's even a mounting point for a bike rack or extra cargo box at the rear, in case you want to bring along a mountain bike or some extra gear. The frame itself is built from lightweight aluminum and steel, reinforced for durability without adding unnecessary weight. Total vehicle weight with the camper loaded is under 400 kilograms, making it easy to tow, lift, or even manually push in tight spots. It's also legally classed as a tricycle in most regions, which means fewer licensing and insurance hurdles for many users. Safety features include a bright LED headlight, turn signals, brake lights, and a wide-angle backup camera to help with reversing. The cockpit has a digital dashboard that shows speed, battery level, range, and even tilt angle to help with off-road navigation. You can also connect your phone to the control panel to monitor energy usage or check solar input in real time. If you're thinking about long-term travel, the Hilux camper Trike has options for customization. Some owners have added portable toilets, rooftop cargo pods, or even a slide-out shower unit using an outdoor privacy tent. Others install diesel heaters or swap an upgraded suspension for more rugged trails. The modular design makes it easy to personalize without voiding the core structure. One of the most appealing things about this camper is how approachable it is. You don't need a truck, trailer, or heavy-duty tow hitch. You don't need a giant budget either. This Trike opens the door to van lifestyle travel for people who want something simpler, lighter, and more in tune with sustainable living. Whether you're doing a weekend trip into the woods or planning a months-long journey through the backroads, the 2026 Hilux camper tricycle makes it possible. And let's be honest, there's something just plain cool about it. It turns heads, starts conversations, and gives off serious Mad Max meets minimalism vibes. It's the kind of machine that invites you to rethink what camping can look like in the future. Lightweight, electric, modular, and built for real adventure. So, if you've been dreaming about hitting the road in something small but mighty, the Hilux Camper Trike might just be the answer. It doesn't take up much space, but it opens up a whole world of possibilities.